I'm Rebecca Hunt, and I work at the State Department, and I live very close to Palisades Chiropractic, just down the street on MacArthur. I've been having pain in my neck and my lower back for a very long time, and I've seen some improvement temporarily with traditional chiropractic methods, but I had started feeling really badly again, and I decided to try something different. And when I was looking online, I found luckily an Upper Cervical Chiropractor very close to me, which was Palisades Chiropractic. So my lower back pain was often very sharp. It was hurting all the time, sort of a steady ache, but then I would have sharp pain, and then sometimes it would radiate down my leg, especially at night when I was trying to sleep, which caused me not to sleep very well and to wake up also in pain. But then there were times when I would be walking with my dogs, or even just walking without carrying anything, and I would have very sharp pain and have to stop walking. I definitely had to stop running because of the lower back and / hip pain. I like to read a lot, and I have to read a lot at work, and when I'm not on the computer, I'm reading from a book. So when I'm at home, I tended to not read as much. I haven't read a novel in I don't know how many years, just because sitting and reading at home was not comfortable when I had to do it all day. So I would say I had to give up reading for fun for the most part. And also sometimes I wouldn't be able to even walk the dogs. I had to have my husband help me with the dogs. I definitely gave up running. So I've tried massage therapy. I've tried everything, it seems like, that you can do. I've tried getting massages regularly. I've tried traditional chiropractic. I've tried acupuncture. I've tried acupressure. And yoga, and all sorts of exercise. I did at one point acupuncture for months on end, and it helped a lot with relaxation, but not with the sharp pain. The first thing I noticed when I came in the door was how friendly everyone was, especially the front desk person, Justin, and Dr. Maz himself. The first visit was very easy. We just did some x-rays of my neck and talked about my symptoms and what had been bothering me. The first treatment was actually also very easy. The treatment itself is not invasive in any way. It's not at all painful. It's very gentle. And you may even wonder what is actually happening to make things be different inside my body after this, because it's not like traditional chiropractic care where they're popping things and you can hear things happening. After I left the first visit, I felt a little tired. I also felt like some of my pain had gone away immediately, some of the tightness. And then the next few days after that, I really felt like a lot of the pain was gone from both the upper back and the lower back. And then after several treatments, it was gone altogether.
Completely.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
In fact, the only thing that really hurts nowadays is the muscles that have been activated by using them when I was not using them while I was not properly aligned. It's not the same pain at all. No,
this is a good progressive.
Yes, and it's a kind of pain that goes away once you limber up or get the muscle going and work on it for a while.
It's a normal type of pain instead of the abnormal.
I would recommend this kind of chiropractic practice because I've seen it work for me. And I would actually recommend it as opposed to trying other things first, because once you realize the methodology behind it, you see how much sense it makes and why you would feel so much better even right away after the first treatment. So I wish I had tried this kind of chiropractic practice earlier in life. I hadn't actually ever heard of it before I decided this is it. I really need to find a new chiropractor. My old one left his practice, and then I stumbled upon Palisades Chiropractic.
That's a good stumble. That's a good stumble. And also it's gentle.
Mm-hmm. Even after traditional chiropractic treatment, I did not feel as able to move around and use my various body parts like I can now. I feel like I could actually run a mile if I wanted to, which I don't, or even just walking the dogs, my legs feel like they operate, correctly, as opposed to having to drag myself sort of down the street or feel like I have to hold my back or put pressure on my back to make my legs work.
Yeah, I get it.
Which is how I felt before.